Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out on the water checking out Yamaha's 2025 222XD. So we'll start way up here in the bow, where you can see you've got a super spacious bow with seats, storage underneath each of those. And you can see in there you've got your bow filler cushion to fill this in and make this a full sun pad right here. And these front cushions here will pick up to make you a step system to get back in the boat when you're utilizing this bow ladder that you've got right in here. Super cool feature on this boat. Below that is your dedicated anchor storage there. So it's a convenient spot to keep your anchor as well. Keeps it from taking up a storage spot that you have on the boat. Move that back to where it goes. You can see up here, you've got a couple of nifty features like your handrails, 2 cup holders on each side, and then a speaker at the very front of the bow as well. Down here on the floor, you can see that we do have Yamaha's snap-in SeaDek flooring, which is super cool because it's absorbent, non-slick, and you can take it out and make it easy to clean. And underneath there, you've got the non-skid. So if you take it out, that way you can keep it safe if it is out while you're out on the water. And in there is your ski locker. It's also where your main ballast bag is held. So once you have that filled up, that's what helps you make that giant wake that you'll be able to get behind this boat here. Coming through this walkway, this does open up and become a wind dam for you and gives you a little bit of access to under your helm as well. Then over here on the port side, you can see you got a nice big storage compartment where your dedicated trash can goes, hides away there. Fit just about anything you need in there, life jackets, toys, whatever you're taking out with you. Coming on back a little bit, we'll take a look at the helm over here. So this is the XD, like I said. So this is featuring Yamaha's drive system. And those are these paddles that you see on the steering wheel here. And what that does is just makes low speed steering, maneuvering, makes docking a breeze. You're able to control just some blast from the jets, forward and reverse. Makes manipulating this boat super, super simple. Then on the Yamaha Connect screen here, this is where everything that you need to know about the boat is going to be housed. So you're going to be able to look at your engine information as well as a chart plotter, and then you can control your radio on here as well. This boat does have twin motors, so you'll get those twin digital throttles from Yamaha there. It's got the 1.9 liter, super high outputs. Awesome. In the cockpit here is your twin captain's chair. So you can see, even if you're on the passenger side, you got plenty of room, super comfortable for whoever's riding with you next to the captain. Couple of storage compartments here. You've got this glove box, as well as one that closes to keep things dry down below. Lots of cup holders throughout this boat. You got 3 on the port side here, 2 more next to the captain. And up here is where you're going to get plenty of shade from the canopy on top of your sports tower, which is featuring the NERT speakers that you get mounted on both sides. Makes for a really good stereo system on this boat. It's part of the E-Series that Yamaha has equipped on this one here. Moving on back a little bit more, you can see under this cushion, this is where your battery system is going to be housed, as well as your switches. So you got dual batteries on here. That way you never have to worry about one being dead when you're out on the water. 2 more speakers in the cockpit itself. And then right underneath these seats are those twin Yamaha jet motors I was talking about. You got some more storage under here, and then dedicated cooler storage right over here where we've got it tucked behind the captain's seat. Necessary for this boat and its wake sport capabilities are these nice pivoting towers from PTM. So awesome feature to have. Makes it easy to keep your boards on the boat without taking up space either in the ski locker or on board itself. If you guys have any questions about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax on Lake Wylie, you can give me a call at 803-610-7828, and that's me, Blake Holbrooks.